Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the California C-5 framing and rough carpentry license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-5 license? A C-5 license is issued to a contractor who performs any framing or rough carpentry necessary to construct framed structures or installs or repairs any individual components of a framing system. There are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18 and have a valid driver's license or USA ID and a social security number. There are also some experience requirements, such as having 4 years full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience. Let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. It is closed book. There are no reference materials allowed inside the testing facility. The questions are formatted as multiple choice. There are some mathematical computations, so a calculator will be provided. The computer testing is done on site and the results are immediate. The exam is broken down into 4 major sections. Planning and estimation is about 20% of the exam. Structural framing covers about 37%. General framing, 21%. And safety at 22% of the exam questions. Let's take a look at some of the sample questions you might see on the exam. If a quoted price for framing lumber is $800 per 1,000 board feet, what would be the cost of 9 2-inch by 8-inch by 10-foot pieces and 1 2-inch by 12-inch by 10-foot piece? D. $118. In commercial framing, where is backing required? B. Behind grab bars. 3 primary factors determine the size and the type of rafter to use in construction. 2 of these are the distance spanned and the weight supported. What is the third factor? B. The spacing joists. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with resources to study for the exam? Most licenses have about 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. So what we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California contractor license exams by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You will receive a printed and bound study guide book that is written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You also receive online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards, and you can take that practice test as many times as needed. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you that classroom-like experience, and those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. These lectures are available on online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California contractor's exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.